drop off. To fall asleep. I was watching TV, but I dropped off before the movie ended. Nod off. To fall asleep suddenly, especially when you're sitting. She nodded off during the meeting because she was so tired. Doze off. To sleep lightly for a short time. I dozed off while reading my book last night. Drift off. To slowly fall asleep. As I listened to the rain, I drifted off to sleep. Sleep in. To sleep longer than usual. It's Sunday, so I'm going to sleep in and wake up late. Lie in. To stay in bed longer than normal. Even though I woke up at 7, I decided to lie in until 9. Wake up in a cold sweat. To wake up suddenly feeling very scared. She woke up in a cold sweat after having a nightmare. Stay up. To not go to bed at the usual time. I stayed up late watching Netflix and now I'm exhausted. Crash out. To fall asleep suddenly due to exhaustion. I was so tired that I crashed out as soon as I lay down. Conk out. To fall asleep quickly. He was so exhausted that he conked out on the couch. Pass out. To lose consciousness or fall asleep suddenly. After drinking too much, he passed out on the sofa. Sleep over. To spend the night at someone else's house. My friend invited me to sleep over at her place this weekend. Sleep off. To recover from something by sleeping. He drank too much, so he's sleeping off his hangover. Sleep through. To continue sleeping despite noise or activity. I slept through the storm and didn't hear a thing. Sleeping on. To oversleep and miss something. I slept in on my alarm and was late for work. Sleep apart. To sleep in different rooms from someone. Because he was snoring so much, his wife decided to sleep apart. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I woke up at 6 a.m. because my alarm was too loud. Get up. To leave your bed after sleeping. Even though I woke up at 5, I didn't get up until 6. Turn in. To go to bed. It's been a long day. I think I'll turn in early tonight. Hit the sack. To go to bed, informal. I'm really tired. Time to hit the sack. Hit the hay. To go to bed, informal. After a long day of work, he hit the hay at 9 p.m. Knock out. To make someone fall asleep or unconscious. The medicine knocked me out, and I slept for 10 hours. Sack out. To go to bed or fall asleep, informal. I'm going to sack out early because I have a busy day tomorrow. Blackout. To lose consciousness. He was so tired he blacked out the moment he lay down. Sleep on it. To wait until the next day before making a decision. I'm not sure if I should take the job. I'll sleep on it. Wake up to. To realize something when you wake up. He woke up to the sound of birds singing outside. Wake up to. Another meaning. To become aware of something. He finally woke up to the fact that he needed to change his habits. Sleep like a log. To sleep very deeply. I was so tired that I slept like a log last night. Catch up on sleep. To sleep more because you didn't sleep enough before. I had a busy week, so I need to catch up on sleep this weekend. Do without sleep. To manage without sleeping. She had to do without sleep because of her night shift. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.